Part 2. For some reason my phone shut down. I have no clue why, but there's the big balls. Almost as big as that dude's head. There they are right there. Alright, let's get them on that tree. We're almost done, so. But this is part 2. I don't know what happened to my phone. It just shut down. I'm pretty sure Katie shut it off.
Just throw it on there, baby.
Just throw it.
Here, do that.
Watch out, Mom.
Put it at the bottom.
Get over here pretty close to the tree. What, dude? What?
This is insane. Crazy. Oh my.
Oh, that.
So for y'all that likes real trees, and I love real trees, I love the smell of them, but a real tree could never hold this much weight. Just cut.
That's the stuff on the
That usually goes around.
No, that's the stuff on my
Then you start wrapping that.
And it's almost done.
I hear some
But as
jingle
you can
bells.
see,
I hear
That
jingle.
goes on the door. That goes on the doorknob. One
It's,
right here and one in the back.
it's a beautiful tree,
One right there.
as always.
Santa Claus is coming.
You don't have
Every year.
Why you do that at the top? Got more.
Y'all still got more to put on it? Poor tree gonna
That's
buckle.
it.
That's it?
That's it.
Good deal.
I'm looking at that tree shit up. Standing. Oh wait, here, wait.
Yeah, I know. I'll put that right there. Put some right there on the red stuff. Like right there?
But yeah, this is the tree every year. You just put balls wherever you can find places to put them. Oh, y'all be careful out here, balls falling. I see stuff falling.
I mean, the green one doesn't even have any weight.
Huh?
The big green one.
So yeah, this is our Christmas tree this year.
Wait, what's wrong with them?
Looks amazing. Why'd y'all put them two big ones
That's
down
not
at the
same
bottom?
chance.
That's
Like
where they
they're
belong at
they're on the
bottom.
ground.
But they have the same spot.
They-
Why you put them
Here, give me that.
Ah! Oh, it poked me in my eye.
But alright, you have a good night and God bless. And Merry Christmas. Well, it's not Merry Christmas yet, but still yes. Still a pretty tree.